So phase diagram is basically temperature versus composition. That means in y-axis we have temperature, in x-axis we have a composition. Suppose this is element A, this is element B. Right? So this is element A means this is 100% A, 0% B. This extreme is. And the element we have B. So this is 100% A, sorry 100% B and 0% A. Right? So if I am writing composition, so what I will write? Composition is written in form of weight percentage. So weight percentage of B. Or in other words, I can write weight percentage of A in this direction. Anything I can write, but better we write weight percentage of B because we are changing the amount of B in A. We are adding B into the A. So if we add B into A, amount of A will reduce, but amount of B will increase. Finally, it will reach to 100% B. There is no A. Right? So this one. So this is the temperature. So if we are making an alloy of these things, so we can have different phase at different temperature. Like in iron carbon diagram, you understand many phases are there. But here our topic is eutectic phase diagram. Right? So how, as I told, eutectic phase diagram means this kind of phase diagram will help you to find out the eutectic composition. What is eutectic composition? Suppose there are two elements. You are mixing two elements, right? You want to form an alloy out of two elements, or out of two metals, right? Or out of two elements, one metal and the non-metal like. So what happens sometimes at a particular composition, they will have a minimum melting point, right? In other composition, they have a high melting point, but if you add them together in a particular ratio, a time will come when we have a minimum melting point, right? Possible. So if we want to make a shoulder, or if you want to make a component, low melting point substance, we can easily make it by looking at the phase diagram, that's all. So basically best example is I can give you lead tin system. So lead tin system means this will form an eutectic compound or eutectic alloy basically, not compound exactly. So you can see, suppose this is the diagram. So I can write temperature here, and here I can write composition. So basically, suppose in this end I will take lead. So that means this is 100% lead. Here in this extreme I will take tin. So that means it is 100% tin. So here I can write what, 0% tin. Here I can write 0% lead. So what I will write here? Weight percentage of tin in lead. I am adding tin into the lead. I am increasing the amount of tin content in the lead. Right? So how the phase diagram will come? The phase diagram will be like this. So see how basically we draw a phase diagram. We basically draw a phase diagram on the basis of Pulling curve. Right? Pulling curve means what? Pulling curve means it is a plot between temperature versus time. Right? At what time the material is getting cooled? Suppose you start with liquid, then a solid is forming. So how it is forming with the time period that will give you, right? So here you understand. Suppose I have pure lead. So pure lead will be having a melting point. Above that it is liquid, below that it is solid, right? So it is how much? Melting point of lead? 327, right? So suppose I am mentioning here this temperature. This is, I can write, this is 327 degrees centigrade. What is this? This is the MP, melting point of lead. Similarly, I will have a tin here, it is 100% tin. I have a melting point of tin. So it is how much? 232. So suppose 3, 2. Okay, I can write here. How much? 232 or how much?
Yeah, 232.
Right? This is melting point of tin. Both extremities fine. But when I add tin into the lead, the melting point will change. It will not fix. It was initially 327. And similarly, suppose I will add lead into the tin. It was 232. But melting point will be not 232. It will become changed because two things are there. Two components are there. So how will be the phase diagram? Phase diagram will be like this. This will be, suppose it will move down. Suppose is okay, and we have this kind of thing. Okay, sorry, this will be this mistake. Can you pause it?